healthy, I am wealthy, I am rich, I am that bitch. I am gonna go get that bag, and I am not gonna take your shit.
Hey friends. Let's go hiking. Let me show y'all my outfit real quick. So this, what I'm wearing, this little shirt, these leggings. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? See? Isn't that cute? And then this is how the back, can y'all see that? The back looks. Anyways, so we going hiking. Long story short, I met this girl on like this Facebook group or whatever, and we went to the Jazz Fest together. I show no footage, but if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see. Then like she texted me, she's like, oh, you want to go hike Victory Creek? I was like, yeah, let's go, whatever. So then I looked up the hike, and I was like, oh my gosh, I've been dying to do this hike for forever. So let's go do this hike. So we going by ourselves. Whoa. Okay. So we're just gonna do it by ourselves. Miscommunication, which is totally understandable. So we just gonna, you know, let it go. Tomorrow we're supposed to be meeting up to go hike Stone Mountain at 10 a.m. with a bunch of other girls from like this hiking group. So she's gonna come to that hopefully. So we'll see. But yeah, I don't know how to get down there. I love the water. I just love water.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
I will hike a mountain any day. But going upstairs, I fucking hate it. Which way, friends? This way or this way? Well, I see black people, so I'm gonna go this way. Oh, you guys, I didn't start my my hiking app, my All Trails, because I'll be wanting to know how many calories I burn. All right, let's figure out where this trail is going. We started navigation. What's over there? What's over there?
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your
spot I wanted to come to. We found it!
Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I know it's fine, I know it's good. Damn, I know you're mine, you know it too. Fine, I might be wrong, but I don't care. You're day my own. Just been on there waiting for you to come here and be on that routine. Ride my wave, would you ride my back? Cause I've been giving you my time. And I make iced tea and I make it when you love it. Yeah, floating on, I'll be the one you run to. And I'll be for you and no one else. Tell me what you want, I'll be going in. Finally. And I make iced tea and I make it with your lemon. Yeah, yeah. I know you bugging me. I know you wanting me. Yeah, you want it, baby.
Yo,
Raspberry, blueberry with your lemon. Raspberry, blueberry. Yeah, I said it's raspberry, blueberry with your lemon. Raspberry, blueberry. Oh, I said it's raspberry, blueberry with your lemon. Raspberry, blueberry. Yeah, I said it's raspberry.
Somebody's waiting for my parking spot, but I don't care because I need to talk to my friends first and tell them how we did. This is not a real good, accurate representation of my pace or anything like that. And I didn't start it on time. So let's see. It says I did 2.5 miles. I think I did 3.5. We burned 484 calories. Okay, now let's go home, child. Go home to my baby.